Most people know Higgsfield for one thing: AI images. I've been running it through Claude for weeks, and it turns out that's maybe 10% of what it actually does. Start with this one. Take any photo, a product shot, a character, whatever, and Higgsfield turns it into an actual 3D object, not a flat render. A real model you can rotate 360, drop into a studio-lit scene, or turn into a physical-looking collectible figure sitting on a desk. I don't touch a 3D program to get this. I just ask Claude for it, in one sentence, and it comes back as a file I can drop straight into a real 3D scene. Same trick works on video. Give it one still photo, and it can generate 9 different camera angles from that single frame. The kind of coverage you'd normally need an actual camera crew and a full day of shooting to get. Or it builds a smooth cinematic transition between 2 completely different shots, the kind editors spend hours keyframing by hand. Again, one photo in, real motion out, and Claude is the one calling the model. Here's the part almost nobody clocks. The voice narrating this video right now? Also Higgsfield. I asked Claude to pick a voice, handed the script, and it generates the entire narration, this sentence included, right now as you hear it. Every video on this channel is built the exact same way. It's not a separate step in some other app. It's the same conversation, the same chat window. One more thing Claude just does. And then there's the stuff you'd reach for constantly if you actually knew it existed. Strip a background out clean. Expand a photo past its original edges without it looking stretched or fake. Generate a brand new angle of something that was only ever shot from one side. All one-line requests. All inside the same chat, no new app, no re-uploading anything. 30+ models, all callable from one conversation with Claude through Higgsfield's own MCP integration. No separate app, no exporting and re-importing. You just ask. Links in the description if you want to try it yourself. I post a new build like this every single week. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.